All right, today we're going to be talking about how you can create multiple sheets using a list of names in Excel. So for example, we have a list of student names here, and we want a separate individual tab or worksheet based on these names. So we want an individual worksheet for Phil, Jack, Sarah, Matt. Now we can manually add all of those and say, well, this is for Phil, blah, 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 right? However, that's just going to take so much time. So there's a way you can just use this list and create these tabs in Excel. So the first step is you're going to want to select somewhere within the list of names that you have. So we'll just select Matt on cell A5 here. Then up at the top, you're going to want to hit Insert, and you're going to want to add a pivot table. We're just going to add this pivot to an existing worksheet. We'll just say we want to put the pivot table right there. We'll hit OK. All right, so then you'll see here that we have our student names or the list that we created. You're going to want to take that and drag that into the filters area. After you've done that, go up to the pivot table analyze tab. Go over to pivot table, hit that drop down, and then look for this options button. Don't click on the button, but click the drop down arrow there. And then select show report filter pages. It'll bring up this pop-up menu. Just hit OK. And then it's going to create a tab for each of the people that we had in the list. And then it will create a tab for each of those people alphabetically, which is actually kind of cool. So then if you go all the way to the right, you can see that we still have our first sheet, our first list of names. It's going to put that entire list ahead of the sheet that we had. Now, one thing that you'll notice is that when I select on one of these worksheets, I have these two cells filled in for every single worksheet that was created. Now, if I want to remove all of those, all I need to do is right click on any of these new worksheets, click on select all sheets, and then select the two cells that you're wanting to remove or delete, and then go to the Home tab, go over to Editing, and look at this little purple eraser thing, this clear button. Go ahead and hit the drop down on that, and then select Clear All. And then in each of the new worksheets that were created, that will remove those two cells. So if we click on any of these, we can see all of that was removed. So there you have it. That's how you can add multiple sheets using a list of names in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe on your way out. I really appreciate that. Thank you and have a great rest of your day.